Here's a couple upgrades I did to my XinKong SBM-988 tire changer. These little Harbor Freight magnetic trays are great to just stick onto the side to store valve core removal tools, and the thing in the middle there, that is a plastic chisel for taking off adhesive wheel weights. This machine weighs 600 pounds, so having it on locking casters is good. Those casters are rated at 400 pounds each. Also over here, same with the magnetic bowl. Probably the best upgrade I did was adding a quick connect up here so I could put this pneumatic manifold. This is a 3-port manifold I got from Harbor Freight. One of the issues with seating the bead is when you add air, you have to depress this lever. And that, of course, takes up a hand. So if you need to manipulate the tire to get it to seal, that doesn't work very well. So what I did with the last set of tires I did the other day is I added this 5-foot whip. So with this 5-foot whip, I can reach over with this quick connect onto the tire, and that gives me hands free to help manipulate the tire to seat the bead. Hope this helps. This has been a great tire machine so far. I believe I'm at 15 tires, so highly recommend it.